Aqara's new G100 security camera is making waves by promising high-tech surveillance that works anywhere, indoors or out, without the usual headaches of smart home setup. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech news. It's basically a small weatherproof camera that's positioning itself as one of the most versatile home cameras on the market. It's rated IP65, which means it can handle rain, dust, and other outdoor elements while keeping an eye on the backyard or front door. Indoors, it's just as handy for monitoring pets, kids, or deliveries. It's small, which means it can sit on a shelf, or you can mount it upside down on a porch with the included screw and wall plug. Where the G100 really stands out is in its smart home compatibility. Unlike Amazon Alexa, it connects seamlessly with Google Home, Samsung SmartThings, and Apple HomeKit as well. Users can automate routines with the built-in motion sensor and spotlight, stream a live feed on Apple TV, and even integrate with Apple Photos to recognize faces. While HomeKit limits streaming to 1080p, the camera itself delivers an amazing 2K resolution. And for those who want a standalone functionality, the G100 excels here too. It's powered by USB-C, has a micro SD slot, and supports up to 512GB, eliminating the need for costly cloud subscriptions. There are some AI features too, like pet and parcel detection, with the optional Home Guardian subscription, which also offers fire detection for multiple camera setups. But it's not a replacement for smoke alarms. It also has a two-way audio, letting users reassure pets, speak to family members, or interact with visitors remotely. Aqara G100 is a combination of flexibility, smart home integration, and high-end specs. It isn't just another security camera, it's a way to keep everything in check. So, are you installing this camera? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.